The All-Parties Hurriyat Conference has called upon the Kashmiris living across the line of control and abroad to hold protest demonstrations on Thursday, September 1st, the first martyrdom anniversary of veteran Kashmiri leader Syed Ali Gillani, to expose Indian crimes in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC Secretary General Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, reiterated call for shutdown and a march towards the grave of Syed Ali Gillani at Hyderpura, Srinagar on the day. He said that India can kill Kashmiris but cannot defeat spirit of freedom. Senior APHC leader Agha Sayyid Hassan Al-Musfi Al-Safwi said the best way to pay tribute to the martyred leader is to accomplish his mission through thick and thin. He urged the international community to come forward and facilitate settlement of the Kashmir dispute to avert a nuclear catastrophe in South Asia. Other APHC leaders, including Syed Bashir Andrabi, Khadim Hussain, Syed Sibte Shabir Kummi, Engineer Hilal Ahmed War, Farida Behenji, Yasmin Raja, Zamruda Habib, Abdul Ahad Para, Fardos Shah, Ghulam Muhammad Khan Supori and Imtiaz Reshi, also paid tributes to Syed Ali Gillani. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah, while expressing lack of faith in Indian judiciary, deplored that former Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana retired without even constituting the bench to hear the petitions against the revocation of Kashmir's special status. Umar added that the Chief Justice, however, in April this year had said that the Supreme Court would hear the petitions after the summer vacation. Meanwhile, partial shutdown was observed in Jammu region on the call of Jammu and Kashmir High Court Bar Association Jammu chapter today. The strike was observed in protest against the apathy of the Modi government towards the sufferings of the common people as well as the problems faced by the legal fraternity. A 37-year-old man was found dead under mysterious conditions in Changu area of Duru in Islamabad district today. The phenomenon of recovering dead bodies under unexplained circumstances in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has increased manifold since the Modi-led Indian regime abrogated Article 370 on 5th August 2019.